Today we are checking out an extremely useful app for macOS devices, and this will come in handy in a lot of situations in your everyday tasks. So let's check it out. It's Permute, and you can take advantage of the 7 days of trial from the link in the description below. It's a simple drag and drop application to convert multiple types of files. You can convert a lot of media files like your videos, your images and audio to another formats. It's extremely easy to use and it's quite lightweight on the system. So let's check it out. I have already installed it on my MacBook, and let's just continue this. So we have some settings. So we have display mode if you want the grid or we want the list menu. We can select that here. Then you have CPU usage. You can allocate between medium, low or high. That's up to you. We'll set it to medium for now. You also have the destination, same folder as original. That's the best option. And then we have subtitle options. So that's okay. Let's continue. So here are all the presets we have. So you can select the most useful ones from here. We'll keep it like that. And then this is a quick tutorial. Let's click on done. So this is the user interface, and as you can see, it's minimal of the minimal. So let's see how to use this. To convert a media file, we just need to drag and drop the file into this window. So let's do that. So let's say I want to convert this file. I'll just simply drag and drop it here, and it will ask for the permissions. And here it is. Here's the queue. The app itself supports a lot of options. You can convert from MOV, MP4, MKV. Now this file right here is MOV, and I would like to convert it to MP4. But otherwise, we have all these options to convert. We have Apple TV 4K, DVD, H.265, iPhone 8, iPhone X. We can also select the audio version only, and we also have the option for add preset that we selected earlier. So you can do that right now. See. So once you have selected your destination, you just have to click on this play icon to start your conversion. Now there are also some tools available inside this app that you can take advantage of, like you can trim the video clip if you would like to trim it. Then you have this option and you can just then click on apply. You also have the option for cropping, like if you want to convert it to Instagram short or something else, or you just want to crop it, then you have the option right here. So you can simply just drag this and create your custom cropping. You also have the option to put it manually, the width and the height and the position. And then just you can apply. Then you have audio track option if you want to utilize this one or you want to add from external file. So that's there. And if you click on the start, it will start converting. Let's do that. So it's going to take a little bit of time as I'm also screen recording this right now, and we have set the CPU usage to medium. So this is the speed we are getting. It's quite fast, I would say. And once we are done with that, it will be exported to the original source of the video file. So while it's being converted, I would also like to add that this can also convert your audio files to different formats. Like if I drag and drop this one right here, and now we have the option to convert it to AAC, M4A and MP3, or you can also again add some presets. And you also have the similar function of trimming right here. And once you are done with the settings, you just press start. And now it's not just for videos and audio only, it will also work for your images as well. Check it out. So if I just drag and drop an image right here, again, it will make some groups. And we have a JPEG conversion. So this is the PNG image, and we have all these destination images, like we can convert it to HEIF. We have JPEG, PDF, PNG, and even again we have add preset option. You also have the cropping tool right here, and once you are done, again you can just press on start. Now the best part is you can add multiple videos, multiple audios and multiple images, and you can just create your own queue. Like if I just drag and drop images right here just to make the point, you have this subgroup. So if you press on start here, it will start the queue of converting these images. So there's this feature of batch processing that's quite helpful if you are converting between multiple files. Like if you have tons of videos to convert, you can just create a queue and you just start the conversion, and you don't have to click on each file individually. You can also mix between different file types. Like if you would like to convert some images, audios and videos, you can put that all in a single queue and it will start to convert just like this. So you have the video, then you have image. So it will go one by one through the queue, even if it has different type of file format. Now, as you can see, our file is converted. We can just click on this show in Finder icon, and there we have our MP4 file. So there we have our MP4 file. So that's how easy it is to convert one file to another format. Now, as you already saw how fast it is, now you can also go to settings and change the CPU usage preset to even faster performance. You also have some other settings to play with that you can tweak according to your needs. Like if you would like to play a sound, quit Permute. When done processing, you can put computer to sleep, bounce icon in the dock. You can just set this to tick. Then you have the CPU usage that we were talking about. If you set it to ultra or high, you will get even faster performance. Then you have more settings as well. You have the preset settings right here. You can create your own presets as well. Then you have other options as well. Now this app is not limited to all those things. We also have a lot of options in the settings. That is the workshop. You also have PDF filter. You have audio to video conversion. You have color replacement. You have file cutter. You have HLS generator, IP, camera H264 fix-up. You have MP4 web optimization. You have metadata editor. And there are a lot more, and this video will be too long if I cover them all, but you can still take advantage of the trial from the link in the description and check out all these things for free. And then if you talk about the pricing is also quite cheap. So let's have a look. So basically there are 3 ways that you can get this app. We are going to talk about all of them and my personal favorite one. So first up, we have from the official website itself, we have the Permute website open, and you have this $15 of pricing, just a one-time purchase for the app, and you just click on buy now, and then you can just purchase it for $15. The second option is through App Store. You can get it for again $15 from the Apple App Store. So here it is. Again, it's a one-time purchase. And lastly, we have this option that is my personal favorite and the best option out there. Instead of purchasing this application and other applications, we can simply buy a single subscription and get a lot of useful applications, the paid ones, for a single subscription. And that is through Set App. So this is the Set App by MacPow, the developer behind Clean My Mac and Clear VPN. So this is their website. So basically the concept is, instead of paying multiple applications, multiple subscriptions, you just have to pay a single subscription, which is quite pocket friendly, and you get a lot of applications for that single subscription. And if you check out the marketplace, you will notice there are a lot of applications on the Set App. So as you can see, we have Clean My Mac, the Bartender, CleanShot X, Paste. We have already made videos about these applications as well on the channel, so make sure you subscribe. Then you also have iStat menu. You have multiple new applications like to improve your posture. Then you have Spark Mail, you have timing, you have Disk Drill, which is a great data recovery software, and that is also included in the subscription, which otherwise costs a lot. So similarly, you have a lot of applications and you just have to get a single subscription. If we talk about the pricing, you will be amazed to see that it is just $10 per month. Yeah, that's it. You will get access to all the applications for just $10 a month. Or if you have a Mac and iOS device, then you can go with this plan, that is 1 Mac and 4 iOS devices, just for $12.50. And then if you have multiple Macs and iOS devices, then you can go with the Power User plan. You can also check out the annual plan, that is 10% off, and it will bring the cost down to $9 per month for the Mac plan. So that's how I personally get all the applications I use on a MacBook Pro. So definitely check out the 7 days of free trial from the link in the description below. However, that's it for today. That was Permute for Mac OS. Now, if you are looking for best way to take screenshots, then you can check out the CleanShot X. And if you would like to organize and declutter your menu bar, then definitely check out this application, Bartender, right here. Now, what are your thoughts about this Permute? Let me know in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe. Stay safe. Bye-bye.